This video is intended for all library lab assistants of Purdue-Calumet. Hello, today you will learn the basics for properly maintaining an HP M806 series LaserJet printer. Although there are other types of printers out there, most LaserJet printers share the common areas and troubleshooting techniques. One of the most frequent problems users are faced with is the infamous paper jam. As a library lab assistant, you want to be prepared to handle and prevent these situations. Loading paper trays. To add paper, you pull the tray outward and make sure the guides are pulled all the way back. This will make it easier to load the paper in. This tray holds about 1 ream of paper. However, when filling the tray, you want to make sure you are not going over the fill line. This prevents jams from occurring. You also want to make sure you are not stacking the paper too close to the delicate hooks that are used to feed the paper. If damaged, they are very costly to repair. Once the paper is placed, slide the guides to lock paper in place. These guides should always be positioned to 8.5 by 11, since this is the size of paper we are loading. Slightly close the tray and proceed to repeat the same steps for tray 3. Trays 4 and 5 are used the same way as trays 2 and 3, only used for a larger capacity of paper. They hold about 3 reams of paper under the guides. When loading trays 4 and 5, you want to make sure the blue standard custom button is set on standard, since we are using the standard letter size paper. As with trays 2 and 3, you want to make sure you never go over the fill line. Leaving a finger between the paper and fill line is the recommended amount of space to keep the printer from jamming. Replacement of toner cartridge. To change the toner cartridge, you want to open the front panel by pulling on the indents on the top of the panel. In most of these printers, the insides have parts that are colored in either blue or green. This is to help you identify what parts are safe to handle. Take the green handle and press down to lift the toner cartridge. Make sure you listen to the clicking sound. This is your cue that it is unlocked. Next, you want to place your hand underneath the blue handle on the cartridge and slide out while lifting slightly. You will notice the blue handle on top of the cartridge. Pull it up and carry it out. When inserting the new cartridge, use the arrow to signify the correct direction. There are also plastic ridges on the upper left-hand corner that you can line with the canal next to the green level. These will also assist you in inserting the toner properly. Again, remember to turn the green handle back in place and listen for the click, indicating the toner has been lifted and is locked in place. You have now changed the toner cartridge. Clearing paper jams. There are numerous areas you can clear paper jams. To locate the problem area, you can begin with the most popular of areas, the right panel. Open the panel door and view where the green parts are located. Remember, the colored parts are the safe ones to touch. Here there is only one green part. You want to pull it out and lift up. This is one of the areas where there may be paper jammed. If there is, you would remove the paper. Paper may also be jammed in the 4th tray input section. You will find paper here if tray 4 is overfilled. Finish by closing the input section and the right panel door. The left side is where the duplex simulator and fuser are located. On the right-hand side, you will see a green level on the duplex simulator. Pull down on the level to unlock it and slide it out, pulling on the green handle in the center. The black part you see here is the fuser. To remove it, you flip down the blue locks and slide it out using the blue handle. Be very careful. This is very hot. Now you are able to check for paper and remove it. Reinsert the fuser the same way you removed it and lock it back into place. You then reinsert the duplex simulator as well, and as always, listen for a click to indicate parts are properly locked. You have cleared the jam on the left side. Jams can also occur in the front section of the printer. where the toner is located. Open front panel door and lift the green handle as if removing toner cartridge. Remember, the handle should click. To remove jams in this area, use the green knob to ease paper out. The long skinny removable rod is a part of the paper feed mechanism. If you slide that out, you may see paper there as well. Remember, when lifting the green handle to lock toner back in place, you must listen to the click sound. You have now checked the front section of the printer for jams. Today you have successfully loaded paper trays, replaced toner cartridge, and cleared a paper jam. Thank you for your cooperation. You are on your way to becoming better at troubleshooting any printer problem.